Yeah, students, good morning. Today we will discuss here a very interested and important topics, application of derivative. This topic is very important because in this topic 6 marks question come in the board exam. Then you do hard work in this topic. Chapter 5th and chapter 6 having the relation, you know how to find out the derivative. This is chapter 5th part, chapter 5th, and usage of the derivative. This is the part of the chapter 6. I am taking some topics here where you using the derivative. First topic here, rate change of the quantities, means how to changing in the quantities. What is the quantity we discuss here. Second things, increasing and decreasing function. You know what is the increasing? These function, suppose this is the x and this is the y equal fx. The increasing function means when x is increasing, the y also increasing. X is increasing, y is increasing. And decreasing function means when x is increasing but decreasing function means when x is increasing but y is decreasing. So this is called the decreasing function, this is called the increasing function. Here both increasing, here only x increasing, y decreasing. So this function will study in the increasing and decreasing function. Maxima and minima value of a function. Every function attain a maximum value. Every function attain a maximum value, attain a minimum value. Every function attain a maximum value at a certain point. Same things, and every function attain a minimum value at a particular point. So what name of this point? Find that this point, suppose is maximum value, this is the minimum value. It means this and this point we will study in the maximum and minimum. Which point function having the maximum value, in which point function having the minimum value. Then this type. Tangent and normals also. Next topic, tangent and normal. You know, suppose this is the curve, and in this point suppose you are finding the tangent here. This is the tangent of this curve. This is the y equal to fx. This curve, and what is the equation of this tangent? What is the value of the tangent? How much slope of this tangent? And same things are normal. This is called the normal. This is called the tangent. Same things. What is the equation of the tangent? What is the value of the tangent? And how much slope of this tangent? The same thing we will study with tangent and normal. And next, approximate value of the quantities. Suppose sometime given the value here in this form, square root form, is 27.875. So what is the approximate value of these roots? Then you find the approximate value of the quantities. In these 5 different types topics here, we will different type study here. And now first discuss here rate change of the quantities. Yes, student, first point I am taking the rate change of the quantities. This is the first exercise. First thing we will discuss here the quantities. Which value having the quantities here. So now, suppose you are finding the area. This is called the quantities. Volume also is called the quantities. Temperature, perimeter, etc. In this type it is called the quantities. Of second things here, suppose you are having here the rate, the change of the quantities. I mean, how to changing rate change. Rate is the second matter. First we discuss the change of the quantities. The area, volume, temperature, perimeter, and other quantity. How to changing here. Suppose rate change of the quantity. I am taking the rate change of quantity. This is called dq over dp. dq over dp. what is the Q here? Q is represent here quantity, and P here represent all parameters. What is the parameter? This is the parameter, this is the parameter. Both are different here. A parameter means, suppose I am taking the area first. First quantity I am taking the area. Any figure of the area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of square, area of circle. So suppose I am taking the area of the circle. Area of the circle. This is called the pi r square. Means area is depending the radius. This area is depend on the radius. So this radius is called the parameters. This area depending the radius. When radius is increasing, the area also increasing. When radius is decreasing, so area will be decreasing. So this is the parameter. Our perimeter is different things. Perimeter, suppose perimeter of rectangle, you are finding the perimeter of rectangle, then you can say 2 length plus width. This is the specific quantity. This is specific quantity. This is not quantity. This is the parameter. Second thing is area of the circle. Suppose pi r square. So this area of circle depend on the radius of r. But sometimes different type question having the area will be changing the two ways here. How? Suppose area, not circle, every figure, not circle, every figure. This area, area, volume, temperature, any figure here, any temperature, perimeter also. This will be changing always in two methods. Which two methods? First will be directly here according to parameters. Here those parameters given here. Then suppose I am using this dA over dr. First techniques here directly depend on this parameter. Suppose radius changing, that this area how much changing. Second parameter here, sometime dA over given here dt according to time. Sometime changing this area, perimeter, volume, any other quantity here. This will be changed time. Sometime this way, sometime this way. That means this will be changed sometime given parameter, sometime other parameter means time. This means area directly not related of the time, but time is one third parameter here. Is sometime changing the area time parameter. Directly area directly not depend on the time. Area directly depend on the radius of area of the circle. Directly depend on the radius, not time. But sometime is given the direct third parameter here, time. So how to solve this third parameter here? The dA over dr into dr over dt. This will be using the chain rules here. Suppose you are given the third parameter here, then you will using the chain rules, then you will be solve here. So what is the changing here? Suppose you are taking a dA over dr, anything, any parameter here, means change of the area. What the meaning of this is? Change of area. Change of the area per unit change of the per unit change of radius. This is called the d over dr. What is meaning of this? Change of the area per unit change of the radius. Mean 1 unit change of the radius, how much changing of the area? Suppose 1 unit means how much changing of the 1 unit. Suppose 2 unit, 3 unit, you multiply and get answer. But this is the d over dr meaning of this change of the area per unit change of the radius. Suppose this is the circle. Suppose this is a rectangle. The change of the area per unit change of the length, area of the change of the area of rectangle per unit change of the width, same figures. This is not change. This is the very simple things. It means you will be understand this what is the change and what is the rate of change. The rate of change means change of the per unit change of the quantity per unit change of the parameter of quantity. This is quantity and this is the parameter of the quantity. So yes, note down and then exercise the. Yes class, I am taking the question number first of exercise 6.1. Now look the question here. Find the rate of change of the area of circle with respect of the radius when radius here in first part r equal to 3 and second part r equal to 4 centimeter. Now start the solution here. Means area of the circle pi r square. Pi is the fixed value and r is the parameter of the area. Means this area will be differentiated with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to radius means r, means dA over dr. Then you will write here d over dr pi r square means 2 pi r. So means dA over dr, what will be here, r equal to in first part 3 centimeter. Then you can write 2 pi into 3. The answer will become here 6 pi. 6 pi means area. What is the unit of the area is centimeter, because here write the centimeter means unit of centimeter square per. What is the unit of the radius here? Centimeter. This is your answer. Means unit of d upon dr at r equal to 3, then putting the value of r here 3 and 3 to the 6 per 6 centimeter square upon centimeter, means numerator here area, then write according to area unit. Denominator here write the radius according to radius, write the unit here. In second also second part here, first part here same dA over dr at point r equal to 2, r equal to 4 centimeter, then 2 pi into 4. This is the equation first. According 8 pi means centimeter square upon centimeter. This is your second answer. The same thing here, means first, second, third step is the same here. Then I am putting the value here d upon dr at this step. Directly find the answer in second part. Yes, note down. Very simple thing here. Yes, student, I am taking the second question here from NCERT book. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast the surface area increasing when the length is as is 12 centimeter? Means here, understand the question here. What you find here? First means ds over dt, means what if how fast surface area increasing, means ds over dt, because respect of their time t second, and given here dv over dt are given, what is very given, dv over dt are given. So now start the solution. First things given here, first you write here given dv over dt according to time this 8 centimeter, dv over dt equal 8 centimeter cube per second. And next you will find here ds over dt. You will find ds over dt, you will find here. So how to solve this question here? As edge of cube here 12 centimeter. First you will set the edge of the cube. Now let edge of cube equal x centimeter, then volume equal to x cube and surface area equal to surface area of cube is 6x square. This is the given both things. This will find edge of the cube given here, and let here putting the edge of the cube equal x centimeter. Then volume of the cube x cube and surface area of the cube here 6x square. This is the identity of the, these are the identity of the cube. So now this is the given here कि dv over dt, differentiate of this first, dv over dt, this is equal to d over dt, here x cube, and what value of this given here? 8 centimeter. This I am writing here 8 centimeter, and differentiate this 3x square, and then this dx over dt also here, because here variable here t, differentiating here with respect of t of x, so dx over dt also here come. Means the dx over dt 8 upon 3x square. This is the equation first. I am finding the value of dx over dt here. Next, differentiate of this value also. Now ds over dt equal d over dt 6x square, means 12x and dx over dt. So now putting here 12x and putting here value of dx over dt here from first into 8 upon 3x square from first. So this is the ds over dt, and ds over dt at point 12 centimeter, any x equal to 12 centimeter. What will be here? This x will be cancelled here from x. So 12 into 8 upon 3. Only one x left here, means this 12 we are putting here. This x cancelled from this power, only left here 12 into 8 and 3 into x. So putting the value of x 12. Now calculate, find the value here. 12 cancel here, and 8 by 3. How much left here? 8 by. Now this is the S. What do you mean S? S means surface area. This is the unit centimeter square. S for surface area, the unit of surface area is centimeter square. Or T4 means time, the unit of time is second. Then you will write the unit in this form. Centimeter square upon per centimeter. So this is how to write the unit here. This is according to what you find here, ds over dt. Mean S4 here surface area, then area is you are write in a centimeter, then you are centimeter square. At time also you are write the second, then write here second. This is your answer. So note down very simple things. First, what things given you write here, then with help of edge of the cube you and put here the edge of the cube here x, then write the formula of this and this both. Volume and surface I am writing the both the identity here. Volume of the cube x cube, surface area of the cube 6x square. Both the identity differentiate one by one and calculate and find the value of the 8 by 3 centimeter square per centimeter. Yes, note down very simple thing. Yes, student. Next question I am taking the question number 4 from NCERT book. Question here: an edge of the variable q is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So how fast volume of the cube increasing when the edge of 10 centimeter? Same question here, means here given 3 centimeter per second means increasing rate of the edge. Increasing rate of the edge here given here 3 centimeter per second, and what you find here, in which rate volume will be increasing. Any dv over dt you will find here, and length of the edge here 10 centimeter. Understand the question, read very carefully what things given and what you find here. Now start the solution. Means given here d edge of cube equal to 10 centimeter, and this is the given key, and edge of the variable cube is increasing and greater. Let suppose edge of the cube be x centimeter, then dx over dt equal given at 3 centimeter per second. Suppose as you are assuming x centimeter, then dx over dt will be 3 centimeter, and what you find here, dv over dt you will find here. It is clear thing. As length of as given, suppose as is name of the edge is x, then dx over dt 3 centimeter per second, and what you find here dv over dt. Now what is the identity of the volume of Q equal as Q and V equal x cube. This is the identity of the. Now differentiate here dv over dt with respect of the t, given here time t. dv over dt equal d over dt and here x cube. Now differentiate here 3x square, again differentiate here x dx over dt. So now dv over dt at what value of the edge here 10 centimeters at x equal to 10 and value of 10 square and value of the dx over dt are given. This is the value of the dx over dt 3 centimeters. So 3 3 is 9, 10 10 is 100, means 900 dv over dt at x equal to 10. Now d for volume, the volume, what is the unit of the volume? Centimeter cube. T for time, this is the second. So this is your answer. D for volume, write here centimeter cube. T for time here, then write here second. So in this way you will find the very simple thing to find the answer here. First you write the given things, and write the helping variables here, to which variable length, breadth, radius, as anything here, helping variables, parameter variables here x. Then dx over dt, this is given, this you will find here. Then write the identity of you volume. This is the given, the write identity of the volume here, because here find the how fast volume of the cube. The dv volume equal to x cube, dv over dt, then differentiate and putting the value and find the value of answer. Here dx over dt already given here 3 centimeters, putting this. R here given 10, putting the R place here 10, then calculate and find the value of 900 centimeter cube per centimeter second. Just note down. Yes, student, next question I am taking the question number 7. This question is very very important because this question came in the many times in the board exam. Now focus in this question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing, means length is decreasing. Suppose first length of rectangle this way, the next length will be decreasing here. Length is decreasing and width is increasing. Length x rectangle is decreasing at the 5 centimeter per minute, and while width is increasing. Width are increasing. Width is increasing here. This width changing in this way, or this length changing this way. And when x equal to 8 centimeter, y equal to 7 centimeter, find the rate change of perimeter. Second part, area of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle or area of rectangle, both you find. In a two part here given. First rate change of the perimeter, second rate change of the area, according in this condition given. So now first we will discuss here. When rate change is decreasing, this is represent the negative sign, or when rate change is increasing, then this is represent the positive sign. So now start the solution here. What things here? Of here rectangle given here, means length, breadth and time here. So now let x and y are length and breadth of rectangle. X is length or y is breadth of a rectangle. So then length x is rectangle decrease. Here given, this is the given things, the dx over dt. Here time given here according to time. this equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. Minus sign represent here decreasing, and dy over dt, this is the value of the 4 centimeter per minute. Positive sign represent here increasing and negative sign represent here decreasing. Second thing here, you will changing your perimeter and area. So then you write here first part, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth x plus y. This is additive rectangle. A perimeter represented by the P. So now rate change of the perimeter. Rate change of the perimeter with respect of the time t. Rate change of perimeter with respect to time t. So now you will write here dp over dt. Then 2 here, and this is differentiate here dx over dt plus dy over dt. Differentiate of this and here rate change of the parameter p, the dp over dt equal to here same here differentiate of x dx over dt, a differentiate of y, the dy over dt. So now putting two values here in this identities, then we will get here dx over dt here minus 5 plus dy over dt here plus 4. The answer here come minus 2. So dp over dt here you get answer here minus 2. dp over dt equal minus 2. Minus 2 or what is p for parameter, so centimeter per minute. Time here write the minute, then write the minute. The negative sign here represent perimeter is decreasing. Perimeter is the hence negative sign here represent the perimeters of rectangle is decreasing, hence perimeter of rectangle is decreasing. Negative sign represented decreasing 2 centimeter per minute. This is your answer. Negative sign represented decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Minus sign represented decreasing. Second part here, this part area of rectangle, length into breadth, area of rectangle, length into breadth. The rate change of the area, same thing here, rate change of area with respect to time t. So dA over dt equal d over dt xy. Are using a product rules. Differentiate product here difference. You solve here according to product rules. And now first function differentiate of the second function dx dy over dt plus second function differentiate of the first function dx over dt. This is the dA over dt, and value of the x are given, value of the y also are given. Then putting here value of the x 8 and value of the dy over dt minus 5 plus value of the y are given 6 and value of dx over dt here 4 and dx over dt here minus 5. dy over dt are given 4 and dx over dt are -5. The -5 will come here. So 8 4 is 32 और 6 5 is 30. The answer come here 2 और here dA over dt. A for area means centimeter square per minute. Means positive sign, area is increasing or perimeter are decreasing. Perimeter are decreasing. According this way, perimeter are decreasing. According this way, area is positive. Come here, positive value means area is increasing. Area is increasing, but perimeter is decreasing. So this is very simple thing. You note down both your answer. Negative sign represent perimeter decreasing, or your positive sign represent your area is increasing. 2 centimeter square per minute. Yes. So this question is very important. Just note down.